Guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're in Walmart. We're doing part 2 to the Black Friday deals, and if you like these videos, make sure you give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you're new, and let's go shopping. First are these new CW Stay Cook with Color. It's a 12-piece prep store mixing bowl set. Comes with the, it looks like 30 or 0.30 quart, 0.74 quart, 1.37 quart, 2.22 quarts, 3.69 quarts, and 5.8. Comes with the bowls and the lids in this green color, also in the brown, and they're $11.97. It says they were $34.99. So LG UHD A1 4K TV was $328. Now it's $248. Says it has an A1 processor, HDR10 Pro, WebOS, and that is 55 inches. Also have a water dispenser on sale. This is the good one that has the tank inside. Really good price. I bought this like 2 or 3 years ago. I haven't had it set up since I moved, but it had the water thing on top, and I'm pretty sure it was the same price. It's tall bottle compatible. There's 2 temperatures, hot and cold, and it's so much easier than having to buy bottles. And it was $214. It's now on sale for $95. Also on sale, I have the Harp 6-gallon stainless steel wet dry vac. Is powerful for on-the-go messes, efficient vehicle cleaning with the car cleaning kit. There's versatile cleaning solution with wet dry blower capabilities. And it says the bonus is that car cleaning kit. That's everything that it comes with. This was $85, now $39.97. So on the Black Friday deal, the Power Clean Bissell. This is a cordless stick vacuum. It says removable lithium battery, integrated crevice tool, quick release pedestal, self-standing design, tangle-free brush. Was $148, now it's $78. So that's a really good price. The ones that you get on Amazon, they break in a year. I bought a pink one maybe last year. It didn't make it. It's barely running, so Bissell's a good brand. They also have Melissa and Doug puzzles. These are regularly $13.99. They're going to be $7 each. They have the little shapes. There's space, and then a dinosaur. There's a farm, and then trucks. City, there's a unicorn, and then fruit down there. So I have a matching game. So Bluey, Find My Match, $6. There's Exploding Kittens, that's $10. The Warner's Blissful Benefits, it's Dig Free at Fiber 3-pack briefs. In store they're $11. Online they're down to $6.50. But they're regularly $12.96. The Fruit of a Loom, it's a 10-pack. It looks like in store they're $15.98. They're down to $9. Online, they have a bunch of different color combinations. Solid white, there's this pink pack. The Hanes 10-pack, it says the cushion ankle socks. They have a bunch of colors in store and online, regularly $15.48 down to $11.97. The Maidenform Shapewear Modern Sculpts tank tops. These were originally $31.98. Online, they're down to $12.39. It looks like in store they're down to $25. Also, the Maidenform Shapewear Modern Sculpts High Waist Shaping Thigh. It's like a short, regularly $31.98 down to $11.96. The Maidenform Shapewear Modern Sculpts High Waist. It looks like that one. I guess this one fit. These are down to $10.66, regularly $29.96. Hanes Originals Rib Scoop Bralette, originally $14.99. It looks like in store it's down to $11. Online it's down to $6.20. They have a few other color combinations. Avia Elevate sneakers are down to $14.98. So they have a lot of different color combinations. They also have wide width available. These were regularly $22.98. So that's what they look like up close. then the Athletic Works slip-on sneakers. These also come in white. They have the pink and black. Down to $12.98. Regularly $16.98. Girls Jordache jeans. It looks like in store. They're also available on sale. Regularly $15.48. They're down to $13.48. So these have a button zip. There's boot cut and a mid-rise. They have baggy straight with a little bit of distressing, a flare option. There's a skinny in the khaki, skinny in the denim, and then this dark wash is the flare. Of the laptop deal, so they have the HP Victus 15-inch gaming laptop, $499. The HP Chromebook, $119, regularly $229. The Asus 15-inch, regularly $599, down to $399. My one daughter doesn't have a TV, and I was thinking she doesn't have a TV on her list, but I might get this for her. It's 32-inch for $88. It's a smart TV. On wireless party speaker with the LED lights, down to $114, regularly $129. So it says up to 12 hours of playtime. It's water resistant. I showed these on my other social media, like did a post with the pictures, and literally like 3 hours later somebody took the exact same quote. But I mean, it wasn't that creative, but just like even the exclamation mark. These are really cute. They're $25 board games. They have Perfection, Jenga, there's Operation, the Hungry Hippos. That's a cute one. The little like fold up. They also have this Max Bubbles party with the chalk holders. And this is $13. It says 24 pieces of chalk, 2 holders. Looks like one big thing of bubbles, 2 smaller, and then the 2 bubble ones. Also have little toddler scooters. There's this toddler. It says maximum weight is 75 pounds. Great for beginners, 3+. It lights up the wheels. And the turtle, they also have a Bluey. And these were $26. They're now $18. So I have a ride-on little princess and Mickey mobile, 18 to 36 months. Has a little power. How cute. So these were $67. They're now on sale for $48. It says ages 18 to 36 months, 44 pounds, maximum 1 rider. And let's look at the princess. On this side they have Spider-Man. Trying to see these blankets yesterday and they were so wrapped up, but look how cute. It has the little top handle, the buckle in the black and brown. They also have this tan color. These are, I think they're just for the Black Friday deal from Cozy Haven by Brookfield Blanket. These are $12.86. And it says oversized. They're 50 by 72. Also another little ride on. So ride and play, little hippo, this little handle. It makes noise when you push it and lights up. They have a little, also I showed you guys these yesterday in the little box. But this is what they look like out of the box, and we have a price. They're $7. So they have this little cat from Super Kitties. The Mickey is so cute. And then Elmo. So you can't see this one. Squishmallows, there's Stitch now. These are $5. There's a Monsters Inc. and then Cinnamon Roll. We saw the Hello Kitties all look Eeyore. There's Mickey, Tigger. So Fisher Price toys. So these are really cute. The little hammer, 12 months. The little keys and the blocks. You put the shape in. And these are $7. Regularly $12.95. So this little remote. Bluey set. This was $26. Now $12. You get 4 little characters. It's Gotta Be Done pack. And then they also have this extended healer family. And then Bluey healer family. More of the Barbies. We saw some of these yesterday. So now they have Skipper. I think we saw the little brunette with the cats. We didn't see. Also, table and chairs. There's Peppa Pig, 3 to 8 years old. Says large table with the surface, the 2 folding chairs, and then there's also Spider-Man and Bluey, and these are $32.44. They were $49.99. Says they're padded. Safety lock, non-skid. Also on sale are the Hot Wheels. So this has the stunt tracks. It looks like it has 1 car. These are $30 regularly, $53.99. And on this side they have, oh, we saw these cars, $20, $31.97 for 6 cars and then 3 smaller. See some of the Legos. They have car motorsports. There's some more cars. Speed Champions, and these are $25 regularly, $44.99. On this side they have the board games. Are regularly $39.97, now $20 to Monopoly. So it says Monopoly expansion. There's 2. It's the bundle. They also have a little doll set. So you get the little doll. It comes with the stuffed animal outfit, and then they have this one, the little diaper bag. How cute! This one has food. And these are $15, regularly $29.88. It says Panini. I guess these are little boxes and trading cards. There's Buffalo Bills. There's KCW, Eagle. These were regularly $29.97. They're now $25. HP Victus 15.6-inch FHD Windows gaming laptop down to $499, regularly $10.49. So this one has 9.75 hours of runtime. It has RTX 4050 with GPU and 6 gigabytes, 16 gigabytes DDR RAM. Anchor Hocking 32-piece set. I bought this last year. You get 32 pieces, 4 cups, 5 2-cup, 5 4-cup, and 2 6-cups, all with the lids. It's like a green and blue combo. Men's Levi's are on sale for $15. I showed them in yesterday's video. There was so many deals that I couldn't even get to the men's. But just like the women's, all the washes in that bootcut style, regularly $24.98. And they're on sale for $15. So they have this dark wash with the whiskering. They have this mid-tone, this really dark wash, 1 shade lighter. Since many backpacks are down to $11, so these are regularly $25. They have a bunch of different ones. They have the little top zip, the front compartment adjustable straps. There's Hogwarts, Pokemon, Hello Kitty, Barbie. A mini. I know this is the one that's on the main page. K Duo. So this, you can make the big pot of coffee, the single serve, brew over ice. They're strong, multiple sizes, 8, 10, 12 cup, 72 ounce removable reservoir. And this is down to $109, regularly $129. So I know this is the one that my daughter would really like because I can make my big pot and she could do her little singles. They have a set with the Pioneer Woman. So it's this baking dish and then a few other pieces. 10-piece ceramic. So $32.97 just for that baking dish. And then $21.97 for the 6 pieces. But you get 10 pieces for $49.97. They also have Melissa and Doug puzzles. These are regularly $13.99. They're going to be $7 each. They have the little sheeps. There's space and then a dinosaur. There's a farm and then trucks. City. There's a unicorn and then fruit down there. So I have a matching game. So Bluey, Find My Match, $6. There's Exploding Kittens, that's $10. At Walswell, dual aroma accents with fragrance oils. This is dual scenting, adjustable intensity, and then it comes with 2 oils. One's calm, coconut, citrus, amber, and then the other one is glow. And that one It's a scratch and smell. Why can't I see that? Vanilla, pear, and coconut. And this set's $10. Looks like they have black and then also a white one. The Alltech Bluetooth speaker. This one is 2.0 everything proof wireless magnetic portable Bluetooth speaker in the periwinkle blue and white. They also have red, a darker blue, and black. This one's waterproof, everything proof, extended playtime up to 16 hours. There's versatile mounting, party sync feature, so you can connect and sync up to 100 plus Hydra 2.0 speakers, LED light modes, portable and durable, and there's a built-in charger. Razor scooter. So this has the little seat. It has the tricycle. It says 360 spinning action, adjustable bucket seats, flat tire, dual incline casters with urethane wheels, 3 plus, max rider weight 79, and this is going to be $49. This one is going to be $149. So it says heat force dries faster, and it's for petting. So it's like, that's the whole thing with this one, is it's quick dry and perfect if you have pets. And that's kind of like what it looks like out. It's usually the similar model, but I really like Hoover products. Still scrub. When I had carpets, I bought this. It's like, if you have carpets, it's definitely a must have, especially I had really light carpets. So this says it's scrub brushes, loosen, lift dirt, faster dries in 30 minutes with quick clean. There's Pet Performance tackle odors. I think they have it in the. Also have this Hyper Tough cordless drill combo set for $99. You get the cordless drill to 20 volt cordless impact driver, the cordless reciprocating saw, 20 volt 550 lumen, USB cordless work light, 3-year warranty. I have a couple of their like outdoor products, their lawnmower and their like weed whacker and stuff, and it's pretty good. The Hurry Up Chicken Butt is $10. That was $20. And then Monster Mash. We have a Keurig deal. I was looking online, I didn't see anything, but this is the K Duo Essentials. Similar style, but more of a belly flat. It has the little V design, that pointed toe, and these are $17.98. Boots are on sale. So these have the pointed toe, kitten heel. All the colors are on sale online. These were originally at $50 or $52. They're now on sale for $30. I'm going to end the video. Thank you so much for watching. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye.